Ready to turn your ideas into reality? 3D printing makes it possible to create amazing things from home. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade, we found the 5 best 3D printers that deliver incredible results without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have this incredible mini 3D printer that's perfect for beginners. What makes this printer stand out is its fast heating system that gets you printing quickly. It comes with free PLA and TPU filament, so you can start creating right out of the box. The printing size is compact yet versatile for most home projects. Whether you're making custom phone cases, miniature models, or home decorations, this printer handles it all with impressive precision. The setup is straightforward, and the user-friendly interface means you won't need technical expertise to get started. It's an excellent entry point that doesn't compromise on quality. The compact design fits perfectly on any desk, and it's quiet enough for home use. Ready to unleash your creativity? Check the description and comments for the link to grab yours today. Number 4. At number 4, we're featuring the K9 Mini 3D Printer, a game changer for home and educational use. The standout feature is the one-click printing system that makes operation incredibly simple. Even if you've never used a 3D printer before, you'll be creating impressive objects within minutes. This printer supports both TPU and PLA filaments with its 1.75mm nozzle, giving you flexibility in projects. It's specifically designed with education in mind, perfect for students, teachers, and hobbyists who want reliable results. The compact design fits on any desk, and it's quiet enough that you won't disturb others. What sets this apart is its consistent performance and print quality for the price. From prototyping to creating functional parts, the K9 handles everything smoothly. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is this DIY 3D printer that brings the fun of building and creating together. This isn't just a printer, it's a learning experience that helps you understand how 3D printing works. It's fully compatible with PLA and TPU 1.75mm filament, offering versatility in material choices. The DIY aspect means you assemble it yourself, which saves money and gives you invaluable knowledge about your machine. Once assembled, you'll have a reliable printer producing quality prints for various applications. It's perfect for makers, tinkerers, and anyone who enjoys hands-on projects. The satisfaction of building your own printer and using it to create amazing things is truly rewarding. Note that this model comes without a power adapter, so you'll need to source one separately. Despite this, it's incredible value for anyone who wants both the journey and the destination. Ready for this DIY adventure? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2. At number 2, we have the impressive Temu 2S 3D printer, where advanced features meet user-friendly design. This printer comes equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to send print jobs wirelessly from your smartphone or computer. No more dealing with SD cards. The auto-leveling feature is a massive time saver, ensuring your prints start perfectly every time. You'll love the heated spring steel build plate, which makes removing finished prints incredibly easy. This printer arrives fully assembled and ready to use, ideal for beginners wanting professional results immediately. It's designed for office and home use, with quiet operation and sleek appearance. The smartphone control lets you monitor prints remotely, check progress, and stop prints if needed. From functional prototypes to artistic creations, the Temu 2S delivers exceptional quality and reliability. Ready for convenience with performance? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Finally, at number 1, we have the Temu 2S Mini 3D Printer with Wi-Fi and auto-leveling, the ultimate choice for home 3D printing. This printer combines premium features in a compact package. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control prints from anywhere using the intuitive app. Auto-leveling guarantees perfect first layers every time, eliminating manual leveling hassles. The heated spring steel build plate makes print removal effortless. It arrives fully assembled, so you start printing minutes after unboxing. Build quality is exceptional. Plus, it includes fun Halloween pumpkin printing designs. Whether creating prototypes, custom gifts, or artistic pieces, this printer delivers outstanding precision. It's the complete package with professional results at an amazing price. Check the description and comments for the link to make this incredible printer yours. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.